What's up, guys? How are you doing? It's your boy Trader Nas here. Today, back again with a new banger, guys. Click for the bell icon so as you can get my notification video, and let's jump in, guys. This is a DXY, I mean dollar index, guys, and let me just zoom it. For the couple of weeks, dollar has been trading on the inside of that channel that I see here. It's been trading inside of this price channel that I see, trading up, bounced, dropped it, and then went up, bounced and then dropped it, went up again, bounced, and currently hanging right here. So guys, before going far, you have supposed to understand that the key economic data that was released last week, there are the CPI, FOMC, and non-farm payroll. There are the good data that come out as they were expected, and the economy of the US there is a cool, no high inflation. You know, that's the target for the Federal Reserve is to decrease inflation up to 2% till 2026. So the inflation is the target is to decrease inflation up to 2% on till 2026, guys. So that's why you don't see any rising of interest rate, guys. High inflation, you raise the interest rate, but you raise the interest rate without without affecting any other guys, any other sector, guys. So I know that the target is just like I said, but the CPI was good, NFP high number of job added, unemployment was good, producer price index was good. This indicates that we could see a drop of dollars for the couples next days or next year 2024. We can see dollars is still dropping, guys. Probably if there's not this initial low till to this price channel, and we can anticipate what is likely to happen, guys. You know that market is predictive. Market is always reactive and not predictive, guys. So what I can do is just do the analysis about DXY based on what I'm going to trade. You know that I like to trade S&P 500 and Nasdaq, only two pairs. You may be asking me why I don't trade forex or why I don't trade any contact about maybe GBP, gold. Why? It's just because I do what I know, what I love. I don't want to trading in a choppy market. I don't want to trade in currency because there are a lot of stupid things that goes on there. There's only brokers based on the market makers. So guys, I like to trade indices. I like to know what is going on, taking a section. If I know the inning of maybe Tesla or Microsoft, I know that the innings is good. It's all about buying Tesla or buying Microsoft, nothing more. You feel me? So guys, it's just as simple like that. So let's just do analysis about DXY, S&P 500 and Nasdaq from the weekly, daily up to 4 hours, and what is our target, guys. So let me just do it quickly. This is the DXY weekly time frame, and look at careful here. We will be focusing with this scenario that we have currently right now. It is Sunday today, and this is this week that we have. Let me just mark this initial highs for this scenario. That is the initial highs. Let me just put this another color, guys. Let me just put this one as kind of like this one. Everyone he or she can understand what I'm doing, guys. So I'm looking for the weak dollar against strong maybe gold or GBP USD or Euro USD, guys. Why? Because we see that data that affected that USD index. That data was really affecting the USD index, guys. So my target for this USD DXY is this zone here that I see. Let me just show you. That is the week fair value. That is my first target that I would like to see dollar touch that zone here. That will be a sweet up one, guys. That is my first target, guys. So for those who watched my video, I marked that weekly fair value here. That's why price bounced here. You may be asking why price bounced here and dropping, guys. I marked this. For those who remember, I marked this one here. Okay, other weekly fair value, and this one here. Guess what? press drop, left to that fair value, and press pull back to touch that fair value. As I said, guys, if you see any kind of fair value, it means that price should touch that fair value as a resistance, or should trade it deeper inside of that fair value as at least for 50% of that fair value, or it could trade about 100% of that fair value, guys. So you have to understand that, guys. So and price act as resistance, this fair value act as resistance, price bounce back well and it dropped till to this low, and both started to push that price up. Why? So why price pushed back up, guys? Any kind that happen in the market, there is a reason behind, so you have supposed to be very careful. So currently I'm looking for this zone. If price could break this zone, my target is this zone, and then if the price could break this zone, my target is this price channel here. So guys, we know that any kind of markets tend to move not in a one direction, like a boom or drop. It's just fluctuate, goes up, down, goes up, down, or goes down, up, goes down, up. So let's just look for the daily time frame where this candlestick bounced here, guys. Before going far, there is this scenario here. Let me mark it maybe with this one, this scenario here that I have. Let me mark it. So okay, to this candlestick here. Yeah. So we have another this zone here. So probably price could pull back to this zone and continue to fall. So let's just look for the day time frame quickly, guys. I don't want to waste your time. I like to upload my video shortly, guys. So wow, that is nice. This is a daily time frame, and the price pull back till to this zone here, and this is a key zone that we are looking, guys, as you see here. So guys, look out for this volume imbalancing here that we have. I'm always like to mark the board of the candlestick. Why? Because every broker has it is a different candlestick situation. So I like to mark the board so as I can match with other brokers, guys. So let me just change the color. Maybe you should put this one here, and this should put this one here, like this. No, the frame is just like a little bit low. Okay, so this is kind of the volume imbalance that I'm looking. So any kind of situation that could happen here is just a pullback, bounce, and keep dropping till to this zone here. So that is the target that I have, guys. I don't wanna waste my time. It's just simple like that. Do your analysis on the bigger time frame, on the bigger picture. You will see something, guys. So it's just like this was $1 in it, and the target is this one. Let me mark it like this. If I can cheat here, put that $1 image here. Yes, so that the target, and this one is the key area to watch, guys. Key area to watch because the eyes there. So guys, anything that happens here, it's just we are looking for the pullback, and price could be dropping furthermore down. So if we could have maybe a few days or 1 day of bulls, so as price can touch the zone before dropping or reversing, we could see what could happen on the let me just show you on Nasdaq. Start with the Nasdaq, guys. I'm ending on the dollar. I'm ending here. I don't want to waste my time, but you may asking how about if this price could trade more up more? Yeah, could trade, because there is the daily fair value that I see here. Mark that candlestick here. Change the colors of this X, put that to blue, and then here. So I have a lot of reasons that a price could touch this zone here and keep dropping, guys. Nothing more. It's just like a fucking short. Nothing more to this zone here. Anything that happened. So guys, forget about that DXY. Forget about that DXY. Let's just jump in on Nasdaq, guys. Let's just jump in on Nasdaq. This is a Nasdaq, my favorite pair. I like to trade Nasdaq, guys. Wow, I have been trading this for the couple of years. Guys, this is Nasdaq. Look up for that fair value on the daily time frame. This is the initial highs for the Nasdaq, the last swing high point for the Nasdaq that I'm waiting for the price to touch. So guys, I'm out of this trade. You know that I have been trading since this one here, since here I was on trading. But guys, my take profit heated, entered again here, heated, and currently I'm focusing on this eyes. For those who watched my video, now they understand what I'm saying, guys. So this is the Nasdaq. I'm waiting for the deeper pullback. Till to this zone or this zone before price boomed at. But guys, if this price could open and hit that initial highs, that's fine. I will not add any kind of long position till I see those guys who are entered from this candlestick here till to this one, till to this one, till to this one, till to this one, took the year take a profit and new buyers are entered. So that's why I said I'm waiting for the deeper pullback before entering another long position till to target this zone here. That is my first target. If we can break this last swing high, it depends. If it will be this here, that's fine, we're going to break. If not, that's fine also, guys. So guys, this is Nasdaq and that is a daily time frame. Price has accumulating. Look at that, is careful. Bears are trying to do something, just like an information dropping to down. Who knows? No one has a right to predict the markets, but I'm always looking for this. This is a target. If a price could be dropping without touching this zone, so price it's supposed to pull back up, touch the other one. That is the final high that we could take. So for those who are trying to short, I'm watching them. I'm waiting to buy it on a lower price, nothing more. So guys, let me just move on the S&P 500. This is my last favorite pair that I like to trade. Look at careful here. That we have, this is the S&P 500. That is the initial highs for the S&P 500. That is the initial highs for this index. And look down for performance, and I'm at my zone. If price could break this initial high, my first target is this one here that I have, that the 5,000 that I'm waiting to see if we could break this one here. And currently now I'm waiting for a pullback. It depends if it could be on this one here or what. I'm waiting for a pullback, guys, so as I can enter long position till to this zone high. But if market could open without pullback and went to hit that initial high, that's fine. No one has a right to predict the market. I will waiting for a pullback so as I can enter long position and holding till to this initial high. Guys, I think that 2024 could be a good year, guys, a good year. So let's wait and see what price could do, and don't try to force price to do that thing that we anticipate. Guys, this is as a 4-hour time frame. Look at this, very careful, and this one is just like acting as a resistance, but I can remove this on the data frame, and I know that there are some traders mark that as a double bottom, double top. That is the initial high. I hope that they are waiting to see that liquidity and the price is dropping. Guys, who knows that if they could do that, guys? So on my side, I'm waiting for a deeper pullback on the higher time frame. I don't want to rush. I don't want to wasting my time try to assume that. No, I don't want to do that, guys. So I'm waiting for the deeper pullback on the higher time frame so that I can do something good. I'm always prefer to do good. Yes, guys, look at, very careful. Wow. As I said, we have a two position on the price when it's trying to doing something. It's just the area of imbalance of an area of inefficient, and area of liquidity. Probably there are some traders who are waiting to see that area of liquidity here soaked out, guys, like this one, where like this boomed up and then comes down to feel that this area of inefficiency, guys. Who know that? So for those who are trying to short the market, I will be out. I don't want to try to join the league with them. I will be waiting to see a pullback before reaching that candlestick, before reaching that initial highs. I'm waiting for the deeper pullback, guys. A deeper pullback, I'm waiting, guys. Nothing more. So this is a trader Nas, the issue boy, who will try to show you what it's like to happen. So if you are trading S&P and Nasdaq, you could, it's very suitable for you to waiting for the pullback before entering a long position. But if you are trying to join the league with the bears, just entering on the league, and I will buy on a lot cheap price, or I will buy on your stop loss, guys. Don't blame me. Okay, these are the key economic new fundamentals that we could have. Start from Tuesday. That will be December. This will be December 19, 2023, guys. We could have a CPA on euro. I don't trade it. I don't trade euro. We could have about nothing affecting my what I do. We could have CPI on the pound. I don't trade it. So I will looking celebrating permits on November, CPI consumer confidence, existing home sales, and crude oil emphasis. Now for me, gross domestic product on USD, initial job crime, and after manufacturer tend to move the markets up to 15 pips, up to 20 pips. And also there could be a gross domestic now called durable good, core PCA, and nothing more. The other that I'm always scared is only NFP, CPI, and FOMC. Nothing more, nothing shit more. Maybe if we could have a geopolitical event, I mean this war maybe, or terrorist attack, I got fair, guys. So nothing more, guys. I see some traders starting to short gold. I don't trade gold, but let me add an addition about gold, guys. Forget about that what I say. Take the things. If it is suitable for you, you can join with me. Let's waiting for the bears finish the moves, and we could buy. Look out for this candlestick, bulls, strong bulls momentum. 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days without bears in this market. That's why I'm waiting for pullback. If this market could be fucking shit, like when goes up without pullback and hit the initial high, that's fine. So let me just do another addition things, guys. And it's not about crypto, it's just let me just say that gold, what's happened to gold, guys. You know that dollar has been trading low. Look for gold. Wow, that is our time that I do analysis. So I don't want to trade gold, but I see the pullback. Look at this swing high point, and look at this body candlestick here. So what do you think? Maybe it was also trade gold. Look at that candlestick, weekly candlestick. Wow. So I know that's trade. I think that go do that liquidity. That are the initial highs for the gold. Do that liquidity and starting drop. So they are trying to short that market because that liquidity. So they are trying to keep shorting that market till to this low. Guys, look at that order book here. Look that price bounced very well, boomed up. That was nice. Damn, if I was a trader, fucking shit. So you guys, even if I could trade that gold, I could wait more for a long position instead of shorting it, guys. Look at what it's trying. It's just out of feeling that candlestick here. So it's just it's all about that feeling this candlestick. That is an efficient area here that we have. But what I can say, can this price could feel that market still to 100% or 50% or 70-80% and boom up? Who knows, guys? You should be very careful with your asset that you are trading, guys. Let me just shift it in 1/2. Wow. Okay. See something. Forget about that. It's hard work. I just want this one here. And this. Let me remove this. So probably you can get pips, because when markets open, as they say that this DXY here, this dollar index is supposed to boom up till to this zone and reversal and do reverse. So probably gold could drop a little bit more down, and after the dot will be to come back with its actual trend like bears. It's gold could do buy, guys. So if you are trying to short gold, I know that you are trying to fill that range, that's good for you. Don't trade it, guys. So click for the bell icon so as you can get my new notification video. I like you guys and I love you all. Anything new, something good news new is coming. Let's just start to uploading another new content.